If you look for making money online, an easy way would be to set up an online shop. Hello, I am Daniel and today I will teach you how to start an online shop cheaply. 1. Come up with a domain name. It's best to get a domain name that has the .com suffix, as that is the most common. For instance, dookieshop.com. Get your domain name as close to the business name as possible. 2. Decide how to build your online store. You can build your website from scratch or use a paid platform to facilitate. Paid platforms, however, provide a wide range of functions to easily build a professional-looking store. 3. Design your store. Define the logo of your brand. Then define the layout of your website, how you want things to display out. Make it cohesive and smooth. Then hire a web designer for the implementation. 4. Choose how to receive payments. Choose a company to process your payment. As options, you have PayPal, Braintree, and Square. Do some research and choose the option that fits best your interest and budget. 5. Run some tests. Before you launch, you want to do as much testing of the website as is possible, and test it on different platforms: Android, iPhone, PC and Mac. Make sure everything is okay. 6. Create a comparative advantage. The marketplace is competitive, so you need to give yourself an edge over the competition. Carefully inspect your competitors' stores. Look at what they do poorly and provide a better service. After all of these steps, you can launch your store. Are you interested in building an online store? Anyway, do you like our content? The only way for us to know is for you to like the video. Click on the subscribe button for more.